What's popping, my beautiful people? Hope you all are doing great today. So today, as you can see down in the title below, how I organize my cupboard. Yes, my cupboard, my kitchen cupboard, right? Because you know, a lot of people they have pantry, which I don't have a pantry. I have cupboard. Yes, that I store my stuff in. As you can see, I have one over here and I have lots over there. So I'm going to organize the ones that I have, like my food stuff that I bought from the supermarket. And as you can see here, see, it's unorganized. So your girl is gonna organize it. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can organize your little cupboard. Everybody don't have pantry, and once you have a little cupboard, you're gonna organize it, clean it out, and set it the way you want it. So stay tuned, guys. All right, my beautiful people, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take down all the stuff from out there in order to get to organize it. So this is what I'm doing now. So all supermarket, my love album. Why me have supermarket in the cupboard? You all know how work is, work out and work home. It's very challenging sometimes, but you have to do what you have to do. Okay guys, so you just stay tuned. Alright guys, this is for the wood, Old English. It helps to protect the wood. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to big dog. I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to use a paper towel. I am spreading the paper towel like this, like the flour that I'm not using yet. I'm going to put them on it, so that's it, you know, to guard them from the have what I'm using. On the other side, this is cornmeal. This can use to bake. This can use to bake muffins. So yeah, I'm putting these up here. Yes. So these can go at the top. Mac and cheese. This is another one. Baking one too. Can go up there. So they already keep it in a one bag, but we still make it stay here. But this now, this was a hold on, let me see. Cause me not think I need this. Alright, let that stay first until this is my cake mix. This can go up there. Macaroni and cheese. That's what I'm using. So these can stay at the top. Potato that I boil. This one, I don't think I'm gonna need it, but let me check it out first. Put this to the second shelf. This is raisin that I use. As I said, I need to sort this out. Sugar up here. Oh Lord, inside here for man. So may I pack them guys just like that I pack them on shelf in a store. Yes. So may I pack them. Alright, I'm gonna put the tea something. Yes guys, I have a lot of raisin because of it now. I can show this out. This is some sugar. Baking sugar. I can show it out as well. So I opened it this morning. So I'm just look how I sweat. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna throw it out in this buckle here. Yeah man. These stuff here and the middle, that's as I can go up there. So I just like we climb on the chair and go up there. Yes, seem good like that. I'm glad to do that. Tea stuff, so I'm going to put the tea stuff down at the bottom. Tea. This can go there so too, because it's a part of the tea. The milk can go there as well. This is mine. Like when I'm baking fried chicken. So this can go over here, up here. You have to make space because you know cupboard is not big, not like pantry where have a lot of space. So yeah. Alright, so that can stay right there. So going at the garbage, these are ketchup that don't use as yet. I might use it and put over here since I don't have this is baked bean. Yes, I can put these over here on one side. Spaghetti can go up here. What is this? Oh, these are some tuna. Right here as well. Now this was some mashed potato that I buy in the store, but these are homemade. But me have to look if the date is but now I see the date on it, guys, so when I'm done, I check that out. This is another ketchup. This is tea, so we can go right here. As I say, when I finish, I check out this. Oh, this is some garlic and butter crush on. I think this is good, so I'm gonna have this here. And I'm gonna use this. So for these, for the rest of stuff, them I don't know where I'm gonna put them, because I'm not sure if they're good because I have them long time. So when I finish, I will check the date on them. Oh, and this is my Prego sauce. Doesn't pull as if, so I guess it can come right here. These are tea stuff. Prego sauce can go right there. So yeah. These are some tea. Yes, so these can go to the top as well. Yes, guys, so that's how it is. When you have a cupboard, you organize it just right. These are my nut toppings that I use for baking. So as I said, it can go here. Then we have these. So these are some peas. Why do you have so much of this? Anyway, we have these here, so. Right, so that's it, guys. So we're going to organize the other side, so you just stay tuned while I finish. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna go over here, which is the season area. So just watch what I'm doing. So what I'm still doing, I'm just taking out all the stuff to get it clear. So alright guys, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to wipe it with this piece of cloth. As you can see, it's a lot of stuff. Alright, I'm going to use my furniture cleaner now to give it some little sheen and all of that. If you're using this type of furniture polish, you have to make sure that it rubbed out properly. Yes. What the paper do it towel do is protect the stuff then from messing up the counter, the cupboard. It's like, you know, you put in browning and then something there. Chinese sauce, you know, sometimes you use them and you might never remember to wipe off the bottle. So even something like this. Apple cider vinegar, I use this to make even when I'm exercising, I throw a little in the water and drink it. See, this is red wine vinegar. So you know, all of these stuff you have to protect them from them. This is vanilla. This is molasses. Yeah, molasses is good for you too. Molasses is a very good medicine. So you know, all of those stuff you have to, that's why you have to put the paper towel in there to protect them from messing up the cupboard. So just continue as I'm just wiping off here to repack them back, okay? So what I'm going to do is these seasoning, yes, I use them regularly. So I'm going to put all these that I use regularly down to the bottom. Now guys, I'm gonna go to the top. These are stuff that I merely use, so I'm just gonna put these to the top. I have another this is some molasses. I have another apple cider vinegar here, so this one merely use, so I can just, and this is another salt that doesn't use, so I'm just gonna put it to the top as well. Okay, these are my baking stuff. Need to go over there. This is my spray and cooking spray. I can put it there. These merely use. These are annatto. I don't really use it, but I'm gonna put it there. As I said, I'm putting the stuff that I use regularly down to the bottom. I think this can go too. These are nutmeg, cinnamon stick, cinnamon powder. So I'm gonna have these here. These are all baking stuff too. Oh, those not pull it, but these pull so them can stay over here. Flaxseed and chia seed. I use these in my smoothie. I can keep them here. I don't know why. Cornstarch, so I'm gonna have it up here as well. I don't really use cornstarch, but when I saw them, I buy them. When them is on sale, this is another baking stuff. This is a whole grain black pepper. I don't use it. I don't even like this one, but I don't know why I like it. But make it sweet turmeric. I don't really use turmeric like that, but turmeric is good. It can make paste for your face as well. It can cleanse your face. Brown mustard, I don't really use this, so it can stay here. Chicken bouillon, something that I use. This is yeast that I use to bake too. So it can stay here. Cinnamon stick. Cake. For my cake when I'm baking. So all of these can stay here. Bay leaves. All of these can stay here. All of these is baking stuff. This, I think these paprika, these are all baking stuff. Can see up to the top. This is vanilla. So as you can see, I finished packing out. These can stay down here, guys. Yes, so you see how I organize my cupboard. These are nutmeg again, black pepper. Yes, so you have a cupboard, you can organize it. You don't have to say, oh, I don't have, no, you don't worry about pantry. This doesn't use, I'm gonna put it to the top. Okay. Alright, so you can see, guys, I organized this side. Now I'm gonna go over that side and organize that side. Let me see how me I sweat. This is when this is akri, liquid smoke. First when you are jerking or barbecuing or whatever. They can stay down here because we use it sometime. So you can see, I put these over here because these are all so I'm taking these out as well, guys. So this one, so I can put over there. So as me tell you now, it's really unorganized. So we just organize it. Dog is active. The rice. Damn, I thought I was so tall, but I'm short. No stop. Anyway. So yes, guys, let us clean out here. So now, you're so small, tiny bit. This is just the top part I'm doing for today because I have more to do, but I'm just organizing little by little. I like it myself. So let me get this back. I'll take my one more time. So this already have enough. See? I don't need a lot of iron. Furniture polish or something where you can't use too much. It's not the amount where you use that or you clean the thing. And you have to make sure say it rub out. When you take it on pan and go steer and it just go look oily and look messy. They just want it will just fresh up, you understand? So I don't need no more. See, I have the same way. Alright guys, so let's see. They're cleaning out this now to put in the near back. So just stay tuned and watch your girl do what she's doing. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm just sorting out this side now. As you can see, I put the paper towel in there. This sugar is what I use so when I'm making the tea. I keep it over here. The ones that I don't start to use as it, I keep them over there, you understand? Right, so sugar, this is going to throw it out into a big pan there. So right? These are some flour. These are what? Some wood strip. Some wood strippers that you can use to mix your tea or something like that. Anything you want to use it. So these are stuff that I use. See, so these stay down here. This can go. This can go as well. These are some herbal medicine. This you boil it. When you boil it, you leave it in the cup for 30 minutes. I always drink it in the morning, but I'm not sure if it's well, when you buy it, we never see no expire date on your bush, so I don't think bush expire. So yeah, see, you see in there to finish. So that's basically it, guys. So as you can see, I show you guys how you can organize your cupboard. You don't have to have a pantry. You have your cupboard, you set your cupboard, and you're gone clear. All right, guys. So if you love this video, remember to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you guys for watching. Ciao. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.